In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Xbox controller on PlayStation 4 with no adapter and whether or not it is possible to do this. Of course, as you might already be aware, you cannot simply directly connect an Xbox controller to a PlayStation console. They are not compatible. And in order to properly get it to work somewhat, you will have to use an adapter. Usually it is going to be a USB connection that allows this exchange to be established. Now, what if you don't want to use an adapter? The first thing that you might try to do is to press the share button or enable Bluetooth on your Xbox controller. If you go over to the Bluetooth devices on your PlayStation console, even if it somehow appears under the list of compatible devices and you try to connect, you are either not going to be able to connect, or when you get inside of a game, the inputs simply will not be detected, so any buttons that you press will not be translated inside of the game. Xbox controllers use a different sort of input than PlayStation controllers. And like I mentioned before, if you try to establish a direct connection, usually by connecting it to one of the available USB ports on your console, once again, nothing will happen. So as it stands today, what can we do if we don't have access to an adapter? The sad reality and the answer to the question in the title of this video is that it is impossible to use any model of Xbox controller on a PlayStation 4 without an adapter. The only possible way to bridge this connection will be by using an adapter, and if you don't have one, then it is going to remain impossible. You need to purchase an adapter that allows you to connect it over Bluetooth wirelessly or with a cable, and then by using the adapter, you will be able to establish this connection and get it to work. There are plenty of connection types out there that allow you to establish this, so usually look for USB adapters, and as long as you connect the Xbox controller to the adapter and the adapter to the console, it is going to work. But without it, it is going to remain impossible. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations and why you need to use an adapter. If this video cleared up any questions that you had on how to use an Xbox controller on PlayStation 4, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.